You can start. Whoever is ready can start.
Hello, ma'am. I'm ready.
Yeah, yeah, you can present.
Ma'am, my screen is visible.
Yeah, yes.
Okay, ma'am. So my name is Samson Riang, and my roll number is 15. Introduction to movement and locomotion. Movement is one of the things that differentiates a living thing from non-living things. When we speak about locomotion and movement, we often use one for the other, but it is important to understand the difference between the two in relation to living things. Locomotion and movement. Movement is when the living organism moves a body part or parts to bring without a change in the position of the organisms. Locomotion is when the movement of a part of the body leads to change in the position and location of the organisms. Both of these are brought about by the joint efforts of the skeletal and muscular system. Movement is seen in both vertebrates and invertebrates. Types of movements. When we talk about locomotion and movement, there are three types of movements. Amoeboid movements is brought about by the pseudopodia, which are appendages which moves with movement of protoplasm within a cell. Still about the called as cilia, which is hair-like extensions of the epithelium. Both these kinds of movements are seen with cells of the lymphatic system. Muscular movement is more complex movement which is brought about by the musculoskeletal system. This type of movement is seen in the higher vertebrates. To understand more about the movements brought about by the musculoskeletal system, we need to understand the types of muscle and joints. So the types of muscle. Muscles found in higher vertebrates are of three types: striated or skeletal muscles, unstriated or smooth muscles, and cardiac muscles. Striated or skeletal muscles. These muscles are voluntary in nature, which means their movement is under control of our will. They are mainly responsible for bringing about the movement of postures and location of the organism. They are called striated muscles due to the presence of striations present on them when seen under the microscope. Unstriated or smooth muscles. These muscles are involuntary in nature, which means their movement is not under the control of our will. When seen under the microscope, they do not have any striations on them. These muscles are found in the digestive tract and reproductive system. Cardiac muscles. These muscles are specialized muscles that are found only in the heart. They are involuntary muscles which have striations on them. They have the property to contract and relax in rhythmic manner. The skeletal system is made up of bones and cartilages. There are total of 206 bones in the body, in the human body. They are divided into axial skeleton and appendicular skeleton. The axial Skeleton consists of bones that are found towards the center of the body, including the skull, the vertebrae, and the sternum. The appendicular skeleton consists of bones that are found in the extremities. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Next. Where is roll number 4 and one more? Oh, 54 or something.
Yes, ma'am. I will
Yeah, yeah.
present now.
Present.
Yes, ma'am.
Mm.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Can I tell?
Yeah, yeah.
Good morning, ma'am, and good morning, friends. My name is Kurez, and my roll number is 054, and my topic is human exploitation system. The human exploitation system. The exploitation system helps in the removal of a waste product from any organism. Much of the exploitation in humans vegans are excreted by a urinary system, which consisted a pair of the kidney, a pair ureters, urinary bladders, and urethra. This kidney are a radius brown green as sulfate structure stated between the level of last um, reset and third lumbar vertebra close to the dorsal inner wall of the abdominal uh, cavity. Right kidney is um, lower than the left as it is possessed by the liver. Each kidney of any adult human measures 10.12 centimeter in a length, 5.7 centimeter in a width, 2.3 centimeter in a thickness, with any average weight of a 170. The different part of the kidney are renal capacitor, outer pro- protective covering, renal cortex, outer regions of the kidney containing brown capital, renal medulla, inner regions of the kidney containing uh, renal pyramid, renal pelvis, Barney separate regions where urine is collected and passed to nephrons. They are the main excretion, which help to filters out nitrogen waste, marital excess amount of the water, excess salt, and another metabolic waste. What is urine? The ureter is the tube that carries urine from the kidney of the urinary bladder. There are two ureters, one attaches to each kidney, and the upper half of the ureter is located in the stomach, and the lower half is located in the pelvis area. Ureter bladders. It is the muscular bag-like structure that any can extract and hold about 1 liter of a urethra. It is a small tubes like a structure which carried urine from the bladders to the outside of the body, important turn in excretion. Then, muscular. They are ring-like muscles at the base of the urethra, which control the flow of a urine. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, for next time I'm okay considering, but this is not a present PowerPoint. Okay, you have made this in Word, I think. So for next time you have to present in PowerPoint. Okay, Kyoda.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, prepare the like everyone else. No, prepare the presentation on PowerPoint. For this time it's okay, but for next, who else? 4, roll number 4.
I'm going to present now.
Yeah. I think since I told, like I will give the attendance from those who have presented already, no? Since I have told that, most of you are not present. Those who have presented, most of you are not present. Since I told that I will give presentation to those who have already presented. But I think Gayatri is present here, right? The CR. So you can give me the attendance for today's class. Those who are present, there are 20 students. You can give me the attendance for today's class. Some are thinking to be more smart. Can give me the attendance
Ma'am,
for. Yeah. You can start.
ma'am, can you see my screen?
No. No
I can
worry.
share, ma'am.
There is an option, no? Share. There is an option.
Yeah, I have done in share content.
But it is not visible.
Ma'am, I can't share.
After share content, you press the screen share.
Yeah,
Share screen.
yeah. Can share now. Can you see, ma'am?
Yes, but you open your slide.
Good morning, ma'am. My dear old friend. Ma'am,
Yes, start. Arif.
today I'm going to share about topic is human.
You're minimizing your screen.
Can you see now, ma'am?
No, you are minimizing the screen. Yes, now. It's visible now.
Good morning, ma'am, and my dear old friend. I'm of three human excretory system. The human excretory system to remove waste from the human body and the system include the kidneys and their functional unit, the nephron. The excretory activity of the kidneys is modulated by specialist hormone that regulate the amount of pollution within the nephron. This is the structure of human urinary system. Kidney. The human kidney are major organs of bodily excretion organs located on either side of the backbone at about the level of the stomach and liver. Blood enters the kidneys through renal arteries and leaves through renal veins. Tubes called ureters carry waste product from the kidney to the urinary bladders for storage or for release. The product of the kidney is urine, a watery solution of waste product, salt, organic compound, and two important nutrition compound, uric acid and urea. Uric acid result from nucleic acid decomposition and urea result from amino acid breakdown in the liver. Both of those nitrogen product can be poisonic to the body and must be detailed of the human excretory system. Position and allied structures of the kidney. A cross section of the kidney showing the two major portions. Details of the nephron are the functional unit of the kidney. Nephron. The functional and structural unit of the kidney is the nephron. The nephron produces urine and it's the primary unit of homeostasis in the body. It is essentially a long tubule with a series of associated blood vessels. The upper end of the tubules is an enlarged cup-like structure called the Bowman capsule. Below the Bowman capsule, the tubule coils to form the proximal tubule, and then it follows a hairpin turn called the lobe of Henle. After the lobe of Henle, the tubule coil once more as the distal tubular. It then enters a collecting duct, which also receives urine from other distal tubes. Control of function. The activity of the nephron in the kidney is controlled by a person's as well. For example, if a person consumes large amount of protein, mass urea will be in the blood from the digestion of the protein. Also, on a hot day, a body will return water for sweating and cooling, so the amount of the urine is reduced. Humans produce a hormone called antidiuretic hormones, also known as vasopressin, which is secreted by the posterior lobe of the pituitary gland. It regulates the amount of urine by controlling the rate of water over shown in the new friend tables. Ma'am, done. Thank you.
Okay, is there anyone else? See, yesterday I have messaged in the group about the presentation and the assignment that I have given. No, these all I am not
Yes,
like
ma'am.
these days we are preparing your marks for internal assessment. Okay, out of 40. So we are preparing the marks for
Okay,
internal
ma'am.
assessment. That is why we are I have given you a chance like yesterday to send the assignments and also for the presentation. All these carry marks, so don't neglect. Okay, you have to like if you give that, then you'll get the marks. If you see, I'm also not even checking. Like if there is 10 marks for presentation, if you are presenting, I'm giving the 10 marks. I'm not even judging like how you are presenting or what about content and how you are presenting. I'm not judging all those. And for assignment also, if you are submitting, I'm giving the full marks. It's not like um, mm, means someone is writing it well, then I'm giving more marks. Someone is not writing it well, then I'm giving less marks. It's not like that. So you have to present. Okay, assignment is date is gone, but then for presentation you have to present. Okay, everyone, those who are left. And Gayatri, just give me the attendance for today. There were 20 students. So give me the attendance for today, because earlier I told like those who have presented, I will give the attendance from there, but I think some are acting smart, like not attending the class, since I have already told that they will get the attendance. No? So you give me the attendance for today's class from those who are present here. You no need to give in the chat box. If
Okay, ma'am.
yeah, you can give it later. Okay, anyone else is there? Anyone else is there?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes.
Ma'am, can I submit my assignment now today?
Okay. Okay. You can
Thank you,
send.
ma'am.
Yeah, you can WhatsApp me. Your marks are very low. No, you people marks are very low. That's why I like in the last sem I never gave you this chance to submit things again. Like even after like long after the last date and stuff. But this time your marks are so less. Even in online exam, and some of you are what you are doing right. For second sessional exam, also for first sessional exam, so you are appearing for only one exam, maybe only for botany or only for zoology. You are submitting only one paper for sessional exams. Some of you, not all, okay, on like 2-3 students submitting for only one exam, only for botany or only for zoology. Then that way also marks it becomes very less. Okay. So your marks are very less, and second sessional exam was not good. Okay, I don't think anyone else is there. If you are if you want to give like send your assignment today also, you can send. Okay, today, only today, if you want to send, you can send your assignments. Anyways, I don't think anyone else is there. For next class, Mayborn will present. No, for next class, and like there are more, only 20 or 23 22 people have already presented, but there are 46 students, active students. So the rest also be prepared for Wednesday. Okay, and let me know, because otherwise I will not take class, because it's no use just coming and no one will present if no one will present. Okay. Okay, so you can leave. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.